Leveraging the power of digital marketing in healthcare. These days, even the healthcare industry embraces digital marketing strategies. It's all about accessibility, convenience, and a positive patient experience. Healthcare professionals are using digital marketing to engage with patients, doctors, and other healthcare professionals, and they are seeing impressive results. Forms of digital marketing used in healthcare. 1. Targeted advertising. 2. Social media marketing. 3. Email and SMS marketing. 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. 5. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. 6. Content marketing. In conclusion, digital marketing has become crucial for healthcare providers to improve patient engagement, increase visibility, and drive revenue. Embracing digital marketing strategies is essential for healthcare providers to meet consumer expectations and stay competitive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.